In this video, I'll show you how to change webcam camera brightness on Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Click on this, right? Click on the settings. Now we want to change our webcam camera brightness, right? So click on this Bluetooth and devices. Click on this camera. So I'm going to cover it with my hands right now, right? So as I want to show my face. So yeah, I think I just covered it, right? Once I've covered it, if you want to change the brightness, you can see this, right? This is the brightness, right? So I can come on here, I can adjust it. It can be in the highest, right? I can reduce it. It can be in the lowest, right? So this is how you can do. This is how you can change your webcam camera brightness. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.